This is bullshit! Now what the fuck is that noise in the background? What the... Is he recording me? This bastard! Ah, shit! Mom!
Michael, turn around.
Mom! What the fuck is nigga doing recording? What the fuck do you think he is? I'm tired. I wanna go to sleep. Oh, fuck. Mom! Bring your boobies over here. I need coffee. Where's my fucking milk? This is bullshit. What the fuck are you looking at? What the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck that cat's doing on top of the fucking dresser? Oh, that's some good shit. I wonder what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Wait, is that a roach? No. Is it? No. The fuck are you laughing at? Stop laughing! This is some bullshit. I'm tired, but I don't wanna go out. I wanna drink Sambuki, that shit that has coffee. Like, I'm twisted, but I can't pass out. Fucking shit. Move your ass. What the fuck are you laughing? What do you keep laughing for? Mom! Can I get a girlfriend break instead of like age of 2? Why the fuck is nigga keep recording? This is some bullshit. I don't like motherfucking Mr. T and motherfucking Sam got me here bullshit. I'm going to sleep. Fuck this.